Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a parking lot sale video, August parking lot sale. It says 3 days only, extended store hours, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. It says Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Regular hours on Sunday, August 16, 17, and 18. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I just want to let you guys know this is the second time I record this video. The first time I recorded this video, my camera decided not to record my audio. So yeah, so this is the second time I have to do this. Not complaining, but yeah, I gotta give myself a new camera. Definitely a new camera. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. We got Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $697.99. Got current coupon is $6.99, so you're getting $3 less on the parking lot sale. Great item to get. We got the Portland 7 amp pole saw, 9.5 inch bar, $49.99. So this is the lowest I've seen it. With current coupon that we have right now is $64.99. Even at $64.99, it's a well worth it device to get. I do have the review on my channel. Go check it out. See if I can link it up above. The next item we have is Badland 12,000 pound truck SUV winch, $289.99. The current coupon that we have right now is $299.99. Alright, yes guys, the new item. We got the white. So all the tool carts come in all colors and white. So white now available. I'm pretty sure they'll have white in all the toolboxes that we currently have now, different colors. So keep an eye out if you guys like white. The only bad thing about white is that it looks real nice, but gets dirty a lot quicker. Anyways, we got $197.99. I do currently have a coupon. Sorry guys, my phone's going off. It's my work phone. I do have a current coupon for $189 for this white one and all these colors, and I do have a current coupon of the blue, the black, and the red only for $169.99. So if you guys need that coupon, I do have a video. See if I can link that up above. If not, then shoot me an email. But yeah, most likely that video, the coupon video that I did, is gonna have all those coupons for you guys if you guys need that. It says save up to 87% or 84%. Sorry guys, 84% on all these items. A lot of these items are free, guys. Like this one, usually we get this for free. So I wouldn't pay for that. I would just wait until the free coupons come out and just get a few, make it last for the whole year or 6 months that it's not going to come out. We got 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. It says plus liquidation sale. So this is where you can get the deals on the parking lot sales. Pretty much you can get 50% off on Saturday. Well, it doesn't really work like what they say here. You get open box and as it is items 50% off on Saturday, and usually it's about 60 to 70% on Sunday. So it's not really what it says here. If you guys want to see what that looks like, check out one of my videos, my parking lot sale videos, because I always go to the stores and film whenever I see. That's check out my videos. It says parking lot. Just put parking lot sale Toolhead 147 and you'll see my videos. You got 6 pattern trigger spray nozzle, $4.99, $3.99 for the current coupon. So coupon is cheaper than this. Just to let you guys know. And then we got a pressure washer here. Current coupon is $79.99 and the price for the parking lot sale is $76.99. So it is cheaper on the parking lot sale. It's a great ladder here, $109.99. There's a new item here. It is on sale. It's always been 20 bucks. There's another good one here. 3-ton steel floor jack, $69.99, and current coupon is $79. Here's another good one here, 3-ton floor jack. So this is the same jack, guys. The only difference is the colors. So just keep that in mind. If you guys don't mind the gray color, you know, that's 30 bucks less than this one. So But if you guys want a nice one, you guys feel free to get the other one. Alright, we got the good and the better. This is basically the same thing, but with, or not really, not the same thing, because this is oil free and this is oil lubed. So it's around the same thing, but not really the same thing, because that's the major difference. Plus, this is the upgraded version, so it's a lot less, a lot more features and nice gauges and levers and stuff. This is your basic, so if you can't afford this, you can get that. We used to have a coupon for $149.99. I don't know what happened. There's another great item here. This is the 44 by 22 double bank exclusive cabinets, $429. Great item here. Tilting flat panel TV wall mount, $16.99. Great item here. 10 amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw, $94.99. You got your choice Earthquake XT Pro air impact wrenches with the 1/2 inch composite pro or with the 2-inch anvil, just under $100. Got a good drill here. It's a good DIY drill. 20 volt lithium cordless 1/2 inch drill driver kit, $59.99. Batteries. These batteries should be okay. I wouldn't get the yellow ones though. The yellow ones are not that good. 6-inch variable speed dual action. This is a new one, $59.99 for that. Now this is a great here. Great item. Pittsburgh lifetime guarantee torque wrench. They're $10. Great item. I gotta stop by and get myself another one. 13 piece 1/2 inch drive deep socket impact socket set, $19.99. It's a great item. If you guys need a socket set, go ahead and get it. This is a great item too. 100 watt solar panel kit, $149.99. This is for you to learn, or if you just want a trouble-free, easy to set up kit. This does the trick. All you have to do is just buy the batteries and get yourself an inverter and hook everything up. I do have this. It works real good. It still works. I do have several solar videos. I have a big solar panel kit. If you guys want to check it out, just put solar toolhead 147 on the search section of YouTube and you can search my videos. It's a great gun here. A lot of professionals are moving to this brand. Earthquake XT seems to be a pretty decent brand. It is 5 stars. Great brand to over the competitor. Got the good and better. Obviously this is going to be the better one. If you can afford this, we'll get this definitely. If you can't, then if you just want to weld here and there, you know, experiment, $94.99 will get you welding. Let's see here. Great. Anything that has a Predator engine pretty much is a good engine. $259.99 for that. This is a great light here. Braun 5000 lumens LED hanging shop light, $19.99. Costco does have sometimes one for $20. I believe they don't have any currently, but great light there. This is a great light too. They used to have for $19.99, but can't find the $19.99. It's $24.99 now. Great light, still have it. This is just your basic drill to hang a, maybe just to drill a small hole in the wall, or tying up a screw. That's it. Great gloves. These gloves, I would use them for cleaning or light duty use. $5.99. Great gloves. This is a great item here if you don't mind carrying the cord. Great item there. It's always been $39.99, by the way. Nothing new about that. Let's see here. Anything catches my eye? Yeah, this is new. I was just doing a video. I just did a video on this, by the way. 800 pound capacity heavy duty hand truck, $47.99. Yeah, this is basically the same as the other one, except these are flat free tires. So they should just put right here. So Harbor Freight, if you're listening on your ads, make sure you put flat free tires on there. Let's see here. Oh, this is, see, this is an item that is worth getting, and we never seen it at this price. I seen it for $14.99, never seen it for $12.99. Definitely, I'm gonna stop by and get myself one of these. 1/2 inch drive, 25 inch professional breaker bar, $12.99. Alright, we got the Predator 4375 max starting, 3500 running watts, $39.99. We got the Central Machinery high velocity shop fans. You know what, guys? Summer is here. You know, take care of yourself. Buy yourself a fan. If not this one, buy yourself a smaller one. But this one will get you definitely some air. It's a great fan. Had good. Haven't seen any bad. The only bad thing about this is that it's big and it's loud. So just keep that in mind. It's $107.99 the price for the parking lot sale. Current coupon is $114.99. Definitely haven't seen it this price before. Cobra 8-channel surveillance DVR, $209.99. It's a great item here. They updated their item, and now that you can do live video on your mobile device. $89.99 for this canopy. This we used to have a free coupon on these, and they were free last weekend. So if you want to wait and get a few of those, it's a great one. I still have to do the review on this. It's a good price. Definitely seen it cheaper. I believe I have the coupon for $9.99. You guys want to leave me a comment on that if you guys want that. This is 20-volt lithium 1/2 inch impact wrench, $89.99. I do have a video on my channel, the review for this, so I'll see if I can link it up above. Otherwise, you guys can just put the name of the tool, 1/2 inch Bauer impact wrench, tool head 147, and you guys will see that video on the YouTube search. Good and better. I would definitely get the better. Admiral does come with the blade, so by the time you put a blade on this, it just comes out to the same price. Plus, you're getting more LEDs, you're getting more features on there. It's a really nice. I gotta get myself one of those, by the way. Definitely gotta get myself one of those. Airless paint sprayer kit, $164.99. You got a quantum, anything that has a quantum or Braun name flashlight, great lights, especially for those $10. These are great. 3-ton heavy duty steel jack stand, $17.99. Current coupon is $18.99. I did try and go online and try to buy some of these, guys. I couldn't find them cheaper than $25-30. I couldn't find them cheaper than that. So for $17.99 for this pair, it's a great. It's a steal, basically. It's a great item here. Armstrong Swivel TV wall mount for under $10. Yep, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.